Hi, Richanda.
And I'm Cameron.
And so Cameron wants to show you him opening his Kinder Surprises or something.
Yeah, some of them.
Oops.
So I have one
Santa.
train this time and one Santa. So I'm going to open the Santa and then all of the Kinder Surprise eggs in the train. I don't know how much.
So
This has a Kinder Surprise in it too, just to mention.
you having issues?
No! Leave me alone. Stupid stickers.
It's like coming apart, Cameron. Already. You don't need the sticker off. Just pull up from this side.
No, 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 no,
Start
no.
where it's open.
No.
Yes, yes, yes. See, I'm right. It's working.
It's ripping.
Boys.
Girls. Santa. Open it, please.
How am I supposed to open it?
Like you open the big egg, Richanda. Like you open the big egg.
That's it? You just get a little surprise like that? What is it, an elephant?
I don't know.
A dog?
I don't know. Trying to get that piece out. It has a cape,
What is it? It's a dog.
but it has a cape. It has a parachute. Richanda, it has a parachute.
Well, where do you put this parachute?
I don't know. I'm trying to open the instructions. Stupid Chinese are in there.
That was rude.
What? You're supposed to hang it on the Christmas tree. Oh, you throw it.
Forgot to take the parachute off.
Darg. Berg. Grab that tiny thing.
You opening these?
Yes. Start. Didn't work.
Here.
Didn't work again.
Try throwing it up the table. Yeah, it
Didn't
doesn't
work.
Wait, you have to like spread it out. Hello?
I tried that.
It's all tangled. It worked a little better. Cameron, what are you doing? Why are you doing it like that?
Let's see what we get in these mystery things. Maybe more of the parachute guys.
Hopefully not.
Nah, they don't work. That didn't work.
Mine was pro. That's right. What is this thing?
Oh no, it's another one of those stamp. Don't open it.
Oh, it's a stamp?
Mm-hmm.
So cute.
What is this? It's an airplane.
It's the stamp.
But if you open it, it will direct. Isn't it an ice making machine? What's
Hurry up. Keep opening them.
what's this thing though?
Hurry up.
I have one of those. Chocolate.
Oh boy, I'm excited for you to eat this and be hyper.
Chocolate.
This one's in a bunch of little pieces, so I'll just show you the picture.
Don't get the pieces mixed up. And don't get the instructions lost.
This one's a boat.
Yes, it is.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, it's one of those blow up things. I hope it isn't the elephant or something. I might have this one. Nope, I don't think I have this one.
So this is the boat. Apparently it actually floats on water.
No, it doesn't. I have that boat.
Well, I'll have it then. And this thing.
Yay!
I don't even know
I
what it
don't
is.
have this one. Maybe I do. No, I don't.
But this is the other thing that he got. There. And yeah.
I was right. It was the elephant. And I got that thing. And which boat? I already have two of that boat, which I could just got one of those. And then I got this guy on the parachute. And I got this thing, which I have almost a full collection of these.
Yeah. So there we showed you some of the prizes. Like this with a mouse on its trunk. That's very...
Which, note it, mouse are actually scared of mice. Cartoons don't lie.
Mouse are scared of mice? That doesn't even make sense. They're the same thing.
Elephants are scared of mice.
Yeah, so...
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Peace.